Hey guys, wanted to do a very cool what's in the box. Buddy of mine, Brian, out in Tucson, he told me he was sending me a lunchbox junior. So I'd never seen one of these up close. Man, this is cool as hell. It'll fit right in with my regular lunchbox. Oh wow, that's cool as hell. Very cool. Little chassis, tires. Man, that thing's gonna be way cool. Oh, you guys hear rustling in the background. The kids found the packing paper and they're having a blast with it. So, yeah, little turkeys. But anyway, wow. Man, this thing's cool. Holy crap. I've never seen one of these. That is so cool, Brian. Thank you. Very, very cool. He said he was throwing some other RC stuff in the box, and I opened it up, and it's like, holy crap. There's some XT90 or XT60 connectors, some tires and wheels. Those will work out good for like a mad van or something. What the hell? Holy crap. Voltage alarm. That's cool. That'll come in handy on the airplanes. Servo. Tracks a servo. Cool. Motor. Oh my god, this motor looks like it's never been run. Don't have any markings on it, what it is, but it's got bearings. That don't look like it's ever been run. Like I said, it doesn't have any identification on it that I can see. Some wide dirt style tires. Cool. A couple of little... Oh man, there's more servos. Holy crap. That's cool as hell. Spectrum servo, and that's cool. How do you know I needed some servos? JST connectors. Man, another voltage alarm. Holy crap. Old foam tires. Those ones look like RC10 wheels. Kind of what they look like. Wow, what the hell is that? Crawler tire, small size crawler tire. That's cool. Another Traxxas servo. Hobby King receiver. That's cool. Hell yeah. There's a lot of cool stuff in here. Thanks, Brian. I really appreciate it. Some kind of an LED light plug. That's neat. Heck yeah. I can definitely put this stuff to use. I always like getting boxes with fun stuff in them. But, yeah. Heck. That's very cool. Very, very cool. I definitely like. I thought I'd seen it here somewhere. I must have went through it and misplaced it, but it looked like a what the hell did I do with that? It was an RC10. Oh, right here. RC10 front tires with a bearing. And those are the team associated tires. Those are cool. Hell yeah. No bearing in that side, but it may have fell out. There's a bearing. Yeah, bearings might have fell out, but awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you, Brian. I definitely appreciate it. And the cats appreciate it too, because they're playing with the paper. So, well, except for one, because he decided he's going to sleep on it. These guys are nuts. But, yeah, you want entertainment value, get kittens. Best entertainment value there is. But holy crap, that little thing is cool as hell. Definitely gotta get that going. Man. Yeah, I've always loved the lunchbox, and that's just cool as hell to have one that size. That little guy, that's just neat. Very neat. Check out that little body. Man. That's cool. Awesome. Thank you, Brian. Damn, that's awesome. So yeah, no, just like I said, I wanted to show you guys the box I got today, and definitely I definitely got to find out what this motor is. Holy crap, I can't believe that. It's like brand spanking new. Dude, it's never even been run. Has no electrical smell like it's been run or anything. I just wish I knew how many turns it was. But anyway, guys, yeah, just you know, the kids, they thank you, Brian, and they're having fun with the paper. So these guys are hilarious. But yeah, definitely got some cool stuff coming up, and definitely I'll be doing a build video on this little guy because that's just neat. I actually got a ring light phone holder thing at Ollie's the other day for $9, and it's like 63-inch tall, so I can actually do some good, maybe start doing some good videos finally. But anyway, yeah, like I said, cool stuff coming, and you guys, thanks for watching, and hope you're all doing good out there, and just definitely wishing all you guys a very happy Thanksgiving, and we'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks. Take care. Bye.